I have to address this matter. This is big news. It's so big that I realized the newspaper published it 4 times. The same article 4 times with a different name. So in case the whole of St. Martin didn't know, yes, Malik Ottley is my brother. So I guess that's a big news. And you can continue to publish. And the Minister of VROMI can defend himself. And he will defend himself today in the meeting at 3 o'clock. He will defend himself. But I realized from the meeting in Parliament that it's not about the Ombudsman no more. It's not about the processes. It's not about bringing legislation to better the processes. See, when I was a member of Parliament, I brought a motion for us to have a procurement policy that would help the people of St. Martin, but we're not doing that. And I realized we moved away from everything, and the only thing I heard was AVYANNA. Well, it's so funny that this is the same person that did hurricane cleanup. I didn't hear anything then. This is the same person that the same VROMI contacted to clean sarcasm. I didn't hear anything then. This is the same person that worked for NRPB and the World Bank that was contracted to do 9 houses, but ended up doing over 16 houses because their job was so good and they had to fix not only other works, but works of other contractors. I didn't hear anything then, but I remember I was not in politics then. So then it's not even them, it's about me. So we're playing political games. Okay, good. That's what we're doing. Go ahead. Then we want to talk about convicts and being arrested. He's not the first and he's not going to be the last. And I can tell you, don't shake your head at me. I'm going to talk. It's my time to talk. I'm going to tell you, he's not the first and he's not the last. If we go through, 30% of those persons have been convicted before. And guess what? This ensures that they change their life. And the ministry is working on a second chance operation. So I don't know the culture of Ms. Hoffman, but our culture is to ensure and try to curb reoccurrence of detention within our system. And the young men that work with the company, a lot of them are repeat offenders and have not been convicted since working there. So again, I'm not here to defend the Minister of VROMI. He will do that for himself. But if you need to sell newspapers and articles and you need to put my name in every article saying he's the brother, but then he'll be my brother tomorrow, and even if I'm out of politics, he will be my brother then.